An advance directive is a legal document that sets out what sort of medical care a person wants. Advance directives are valuable tools because they ensure that your treatment preferences are respected even when you're incapable of communicating them. They can be created at any time in a person's life to cover accidents and emergencies, but are most common for those who are later in life and are reckoning with end-of-life treatment decisions. Over the past few decades, medical technology has created amazing ways for prolonging life, but using these may not be what everyone desires, making advance directives more important than ever. Let's take a look at some of the foundational aspects of directives so you can see if one is right for you. What are the components of an advance directive? Advance directives must be written down and at a minimum will contain two components, a living will and a healthcare power of attorney. A living will is a written explanation of procedures and courses of treatment that you want and those you don't want. Doctors will only consult a living will if you meet certain medical criteria for being incapacitated or incapable of providing guidance about your own treatment. When creating a living will, you should speak with your primary care provider about the kinds of procedures that might come up for a person with your medical profile. You can create it using this information, then update it over the years if conditions change. However, even the most careful planning can't anticipate every medical emergency, hence the need for a healthcare power of attorney, which is a document that identifies another person, often called a representative or an agent, who can make healthcare decisions on behalf of the person who created the document, known as the principal. Medical powers of attorney are often referred to as durable because unlike other powers of attorney that automatically end when the principal becomes incapacitated, they are specifically designed for those situations. Be sure to speak with the person you plan to name as your agent to make sure that he or she understands your desires and values about medical treatment. What should advance directives address? The exact content of an advance directive will vary depending upon the health needs of the person making it. Your primary care provider may suggest that you address dialysis, blood transfusions, or feeding tubes. One common feature of advance directives is a Do Not Resuscitate order, known as a DNR. This instructs medical staff that they should not attempt to revive you if your heart stops beating. Similarly, a Do Not Intubate order, known as a DNI, alerts medical personnel that you do not want mechanical assistance if you stop breathing. For patients with critical medical conditions, you may ask your doctor about physician orders for life sustaining treatment, sometimes abbreviated as POLST. Unlike other parts of an advance directive which you yourself create, a POLST is written by your doctor. However, not all states permit POLST forms, and regardless of whether your advance directive includes one, the finished product should be provided to the hospital where you would most likely be taken in the event of a medical emergency, so doctors can easily find out your treatment preferences. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Click or tap the link here to learn more about advance directives and head to eForms.com for sample forms and a guide to the relevant laws of every state. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on health issues and the law.